subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and notification button and share. Okay, my video got cut. But you guys, I'm gonna tell y'all something. Go and buy you some of these Motos fruit punch. You guys, they are so good. Tastes like liquor in it. And if you never tried these tobacco Slim Jim, they are so freaking hot. It's hot. Tabasco seasoning, 6 grams. You guys, this stuff, it's hot. Slim Jim, it's hot. Hold on, hit it. I have white grape and I don't know what the other one is. I can't see it. But they are so good. They are so good. I need to go get some scissors. I need to get scissors. Had to get scissors. Why do I always do the pranks that's gonna get me whooped? Oh. I'm doing all this for y'all. Oh. This white grape, apple white grape, it is so good. It's good, guys. Woo. I'm sitting here looking at Dre and Ken. But in my video, I was showing you guys different recipes. I know that the children are out of school for 2 to 3 weeks so far. And I just want to share some menus, quick menus. You know, you can always go on your phone and look. You can always go on your phone and look. You know, some cheap meals, some quick meals. Most important, quick meals, quick breakfast. You know, like I know they're gonna be eating a lot of cornflakes. You get what I'm saying? But get something that's gonna stick to them, like pancakes. You don't have to make the big pancakes if you like to. Just make the little small pancakes. Make them like 4 little small pancakes that are equal to that big pancake. You know, or take some eggs and add the cheese in it and add bacon or sausages, whatever. You know, add that in there. And you know the little pan that you make your jiffy bread out of and your cupcakes. Put you some eggs. Scramble up just some good old eggs. This tobacco is so dang hot. And I gotta turn this down. And just stir up you some eggs and cut up you some ham. Go to Dollar Tree and get you a pack of ham and cut up the ham. And whatever you're gonna add in there, whatever they like. And once you do that, you know, spray your little pan with your bacon spray or whatever, your little butter. And make them some little egg, you know, the little eggs. And the little biscuit thing. And once you do that, honey, go back and cook them babies a little mess of grits and toast. Well, I was going to say go buy some cheap bread, but I had a lot of bread gone. A lot of bread gone. So what I did, I went to Winn-Dixie and bought bread in the deli area that was like $1 or $2. I'm pretty sure the bread store gonna have some bread, because it's a bread store. But if I want some bread, I think I'll go to Publix here, you know, and get me some bread. But I end up going to Winn-Dixie, buying me some bread. It wasn't the bread I wanted, but it was bread. And then it was healthy wheat bread. It was wheat bread. So bread is bread to me. I just wanted bread to make me a good old sandwich with. That's all. But you ladies, your parents, I'm not going to say your ladies' parents, you know, make something quick for the kids. Make something quick. Sound like I heard somebody at the door. I heard the doorbell go off. Oh, this is what I'm having. Fruit punch, popsicle. It was popsicle and Slim Jim. And it's hot. Is my phone? I thought my phone was turned upside down. But anyway, I'm about to end this video. Get on my computer for a little while. So with that being said, live, love, and laugh. Peace, love, and hair grease. Peace. Hello YouTube, how y'all doing out there? I'm so boring. I don't have anything to do. So, come and check this out. I'm about to get ready to do a meal plan for 2 people. I am about to get ready to do a meal plan. And my husband, he don't eat that much, but I do. I love to eat. So, on here, Amazon Dash, Amazon Music, calendar, clock, memo, Pandora, ring. Let's see what ring Tucker have. Oh, you have to sign in. Okay, let's get out of that. Let's see. I don't want to do some. Let's see what we can find, since we're going to be quarantined for 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Let's see what we have, you guys. Bear with me. You got the chicken lasagna, mozzarella, 3-herb steak. Ooh. What about that? Let me get y'all some color. Let me take this blue stuff off so you guys can see. There we go. Now this look good. Add fresh chili to summer with a delightful, whatever that sugar punch. Cranberry citrus is gonna be in it, and no alcohol. No alcohol, because you might want to get some to these babies. And we ain't trying to get these babies drunk. That's a no-no. But you guys, oh, look at this. Look at that. I'll mark that. Let's see. Let's see what we can find for the children. Lunch, pay, salad, bacon, dinner, drinking, seafood, dessert, main dish, side dish, quick, easy, healthy, soup, barbecue meat, Holiday and breakfast and appetizer favorites. Oh, these are my favorites, what I have. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Because I don't do veggie spring roll with peanut sauce. But they have one for just children. But let's see what we got, babe. This is something healthy. Taste turkey wrap. Oh, lemon and deli chicken. West African chicken stew with sweet potatoes. I'm just going to show you, and you can go and look it up. Take 15 minutes. 15 minutes, 542 calories, 7 ingredients. And this the turkey wrap. This the turkey wrap. If you want to do the turkey wrap. Berry, cranberry sauce, Miracle Whip, flour, lettuce, turkey, Kraft single, and bacon. This is the ingredients if you want to do a tasty turkey wrap. I can show it to you. You can go back and look it up. West Africans. Let's look at this. The hearty chicken and peanut stew use kitchen best unsalt chicken stock. Gets a great punch of flavor. Chicken thighs, sweet potato, unsalt stock, onion, peanut butter, tomato, fresh ginger, some kind of ground beef, ground cayenne pepper, fresh roasted salt peanuts, lemon wedges. 15 minutes, 4 hours time, calories. See how many calories there? 370. That's not bad. I make my favorite. Chili. Two fruit turkey salad. Let's see what it's about. Mouth-watering goodness. Turkey breast, bay leaf, seedless red grapes, oranges, celery, almond, pineapple, orange yogurt, mayo, fresh mint, salt, and pepper. That sounds pretty good. Am I getting it? No, I wasn't getting it. Pork, yellow rice with veggie. We pretty much know how to cook that. Quick cream chicken. You guys, it's so much. A meal for every day. Oh, I can do this. I can do this tomorrow. I have my shrimp. I'm going to buy zucchini, like an onion. No, that's onion. Oh, bell pepper. I have bell pepper. I have an orange on the side. Let me save that. And I have my sticks. Olive oil, vinegar, water, shrimp, onion, bell pepper, yellow pepper. Oh, that's squash and zucchini. Okay, I need to go buy squash and zucchini. Okay. Shop. Let me see. Follow the recipe by listing.
Mix marinade mix, oil, vinegar, and water in small bowl. Place shrimp and vegetables in 2 separate large resealable plastic bags. Pour half of the marinade into each bag. Turn to coat well.
Oh, I can put how long it takes. Okay, that's cool. Please make selection first. Let's see. Let me see. I can put that. I would do that Saturday. Okay. I don't know where it went to. Send to shopping list. Send to shopping list. Okay, went to my shopping list. Let me make sure it went to my shopping list. Here's my shopping list. Let's see, did this go to my shopping list, guys? Yep, here it goes. Right here, it went. So I can just know what to go and get. Oh, no, 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 no. No, 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 no. I'm dealing them out. I don't want to do that. Okay. I know I need it. I got pepper. I have pepper, red onion. I have shrimp, water, vinegar, olive oil. I need to put this back. There it goes. There it goes. Okay. I put my zucchini back and my squash. And I'm going to buy that tomorrow. So I have it. And I'll go buy it Friday. So I will have it Saturday. Okay. I have that. I just want to come on here and share some stuff with you guys. Trying to make sure I look at the right side of the camera. That's it. Just want to come and share. If you like what I showed you guys, I wrote this a good little bit 2 months ago or something like that. But if you guys want me to go back to the menu, the meal prepping, I'd be more than happy to. Just leave a comment at the bottom and say yay, nay, yay. Please go back and tell me what you want to see. I will go back and I will let you guys. I will browse to whatever you say you want to see. Or you can download it on your phone. It's called Smart Recipes. A Smart Recipe. You have your lunch. These are some things for lunch. You have bacon. Oh, they don't have nothing for bacon. Nothing for bacon. I gotta go back and look at that. Oh, you got that. There's no need to ready chopped veggie. Oh, you can buy it already. I did this once before, the stuffed pepper. I did that for my grandkids. Oh, I would love to have this meat, mushroom, pepper. Pepper paste. I would love to have that with some meatballs in it. Oh, I saved that already. Let me show you something about this refrigerator. It shows you what I have in there. There go my milk. It just showing you. It shows you guys what's in the refrigerator. That's pretty cool, huh? That's pretty cool. The weather. 84. Let's see, it's tasty. These apps are operated and served, provided, available, and fresh up front. Here to make different from other. I hit OK. 7 homemade recipe. Just look, you guys. Oh, look at this. Look at this. And I can print it from I can print this from my refrigerator to my printer in the office. Just tell you everything, but what is this? Mussel. Squid ink fettuccine with black mussel. Take dinner time deep down under the sea with this ink dish. Started with crispy fried clambering. Oh my God. Look at this, you guys. 2 hours to cook, 25 minutes to prep, and 20 minutes cook time. Serving 4 people. Below, you might want to try this. Oof. Let me let you guys look at that. And this what it was. What is this? Oh my goodness. Ah, you guys, I don't know what that means. Well, the word of the day. That's something different. Okay, I'm about to get ready to go back upstairs because it's hot. It's hot down here to me. I'm done. That's what that refrigerator. I am hot and I am getting a headache. And I want some ice cream. Let me see, can I find me a popsicle? Hold on. Okay. I bought some. By the time this corona over with, I am going to be overweight. I'm going to be a fat ass. I'm pretty sure. I'm trying to pick up weight, but I want to do it healthy. I don't want to do it unhealthy. I want to be healthy. Hold on.